Okay, we stopped the film a second ago just so we could clear away some of the mess. We had a lot of garbage all over the floor. We just pulled all that stuff away, and we've only been away for about 4 or 5 minutes at the very most. I spun the 2 mirrors on, it's real quick and easy. 14mm wrench that comes in the toolkit with the vehicle. I tightened up the 2 mirrors. We took away all of the garbage. I put the battery down into the floor. I took the red wire and I put it on the positive, the black wire out of the negative. I put 1 screw in here, so now we're a lot further along. Something else to keep in mind is, underneath the seat, I like to make sure that I keep my owner's manual there. That's something that comes along with the vehicle. And I cut these, there's 2 of these that come on the box. And I cut these off the end. And what you want to do, well, 1 or 2 of these, but there's, what this will have is your VIN number and your motor number in a barcode style thing, and what color it is, the model, and all this sort of thing. So that's a really good thing just to kind of keep with you or the vehicle or in your file, wherever you keep all your documents for the vehicle. You may need that at DMV when you go to register the thing too, because they'll usually want a VIN number and a motor number. So now the only thing that we really have left to do, now that we've taken away all the rest of the stuff around it, is we're going to drop this down off of the wooden pallet. So the cardboard pallet here, we're going to take off the wooden pallet. You ready, Gayla?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's pull this around to the side. Let's get that. Grab a hold of that. Okay, we're down off the pallet. Now what I'm going to do is lift this piece up, pull it off to the side. I'm going to take a little kickstand. That piece comes off. And we're free. We're done. There is nothing to get this thing off of there. It's a piece of cake. So all that is off to the side. Now you can sit on it, and I can look cute and girly. I can turn on my key. The battery's already hooked up. I'm ready to roll, baby. Let's go.